101 drinks that everyone needs to know. We're starting with number 1, the Amaretto Sour. Now we are going to be starting this Amaretto Sour with an egg white, but this is completely optional. Maybe your bar doesn't have egg whites, aquafaba, or FIFO, but if you are going to be using an emulsifier and you're making it for a guest, I would really recommend checking in with them that they are okay with that more creamy texture. Okay, we've got our egg. We always want to start with our egg whites. And notice I didn't hit my egg on the side of my cocktail shaker. That can lead to shells going in our cocktail shaker. We always want to be hitting it on the side. Okay, we're going to add 1 dash of some orange bitters. Now I know you're going to say that was 2. Anytime that we are using these more decorative bottles with these smaller holes for the bitters bottles, we are going to double the amount of dashes than we would if we were using a traditional dasher bottle that has a much larger hole to it. So 1 dash if you're using this, 2 dash if you're using this. Okay, 1 ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of an almond liqueur, like a Disaronno. Now, because we have our egg white in there, we are gonna do what is known as a dry shake, which means we're gonna shake this without ice to emulsify that egg white. You will do the same thing if you are using any other kind of emulsifier, like an aquafaba, chickpea water, or FIFO. If you are not using an emulsifier, you can skip this dry shake, go ahead and add ice and just do your normal wet shake. Now that we have a nice fluffy texture, we can add our ice so we can chill and dilute this cocktail. Now we are going to serve this cocktail on the rocks. Because I am doing an egg white, I am going to serve it over a large ice cube just to hold the integrity of that creamy texture a little bit longer. Because of that, I am going to also double strain just so I can catch any of those additional ice shards, again, to just hold that integrity of the cocktail. If you are serving it over regular rocks, which is totally okay to do, you do not have to double strain. The garnish for this is going to be a lemon and a cherry, but because I'm doing an egg white version, I really like doing a lemon twist to get those aromatics over the top. Egg white cocktails and aquafaba cocktails can have a little bit of a funk to them, and expressing those oils over the top is going to dissipate that. I'm going to fold my lemon twist up, and I've got my cherry. And then I have my cherry and my lemon twist, and that can sit right on top. She's beautiful. How does she taste? Oh, lovely. Cocktail number 2 on our list of 101 cocktails that everyone needs to know is the Aperol Spritz. Very easy cocktail to make. You only need 3 ingredients: Aperol, some kind of dry sparkling wine, preferably Prosecco, and club soda. We're gonna grab a wine glass for this cocktail, and we are gonna fill it up with a little bit of ice. We're going to pour out roughly 3 ounces of Prosecco. I'm going to measure out 2 ounces of Aperol. And then I'm just going to top it with about 1 ounce of club soda. That is the color we want. And then we're just going to take an orange slice, tuck that right in there, and it's not complete without a straw. Oh, it's sweet, it's a little bit bitter, it's dry, it's light and refreshing. How can you not love an Aperol Spritz?